charismatic looks. A very religious person, if not for his number of exams that he taught. I censored, he could be mistaken a handsome priest. But of course, only few would believe and more will object. Wow, our current neurosurgeon. Congrats! And this, mura ka ni wedding cake slicing ganila ha. It's a renewal of vow slicing. Okay.
So, this one. In her search for true
Wala ka din
love,
ha, Alphonse.
she finds the perfect man. As is a sweet darling of her family's eye, who has so much love to give for everyone. A well-endowed woman, gifted with the winning qualities of a born fighter, who never plants grudges to anyone who despised her. Her endearing charm, genuine beauty, and forgiving heart are doubtlessly the sources of of those who see her. With a well-driven character as tough as hers, she makes things happen the way she plans them to. She's a great promise to add up to the long, illustrious list of 5-star physicians in the Cabrera
Clan. Dr. Adeline Cabrera, our OB-GYN expert. So, Dr. Alfonso Rinquejo. Yeah, let me read. Don Juan. The pride of the Bolog has an only child syndrome. This is a unanimous kanang writing from everybody. So we just connected all the words. He is one of the few who has unclassified persona. And watch out, he has the all-star charm. O, diba? Mag-read yun, especially si Whitey. To beautiful and sexy girls, the only avid member of MYM Fans Club, his secret, ask him na lang, or better ask the idol of their fans club. His unbelievable, meticulous ways become an amazing challenge to every woman. Fonso is very particular in everything. Don't lean on him because he will get his uniform ruffled. Don't share with his cup because he might catch your rubbish. If you're a girl, you're not supposed to walk too close with him because others might think that you're his girlfriend. Still true? Don't make noise when he's studying, etc. The other side of him is a funny, cool guy who knows how to cook and make mouth-watering mango float. Well, let's visit his boarding house. Sometimes just make sure you don't come in with your shoes. Dr. Alfonso Rinquejo, an anesthesiologist, right? Congratulations.